When the spring wind calls tonight, while the wild birds lose their minds. Yeah, yeah. When the spring wind asks the night, how's the garden doing now? Every bird cries out your name, like they just can't calm down. Sweetest cure I've never touched, you got healing in your hands. Still you leave me bleeding now, trying hard to understand. Your face shining in the rain, like a flower glowing gold. Every second next to you feels like fire in my soul. No rose ever looked this dangerous, no star ever burned this bright. You rule the flowers, like a rose inside the wire. Every time you move, girl, you set my world on fire, like a rose inside the wire. Inside the wire, inside the wire. I would live 1,000 lives just to burn inside your flame. Even if tomorrow falls, I'd still call your name. Your name. Your name. Your name. Midnight city flashing lights, still your shadow pulls me close. Every lonely heartbeat turns into thunder in my bones. I was drowning in the dark, running circles in the rain. Then your voice came crashing down like a wildfire through my veins. Even heaven fades to black everywhere you go tonight. Stars don't even dare to shine, standing near your light. No kiss ever felt this dangerous, no love ever hit this hard. You among the flowers, like a rose inside the wire. Every time you move, girl, you set my world on fire, like a rose inside the wire. Inside the wire, inside the wire. I would live 1,000 lives just to burn inside your flame. Even if tomorrow falls, I will scream your name. Your name. Your name. Your name. If time forgets who we are, if the sky comes crashing down, I would still run through the dark just to find you in the crowd. You're the fire.